I have to say that she's getting better and better every day. It's not about the singing. That she keeps breaking records. But now with, the shyness, the acting, and by the end of this 20 odd minutes, I shall convince Dhwani that she must do a Bollywood film. Hello?
Hello?
Time for you to act now. क्योंकि अब तुम इतना बढ़िया performance दे रहे हो.
I don't even know how to act.
That's the best part. You know something? जिस दिन तुमने acting शुरू कर दी, it's over. वहीं chapter close. So I think, even in this video at the beginning, like you're playing this little nerdy little girl, I think you are. If you give chashma to you, I think, aren't you like that a little bit? Very studious and very nerdy also?
That's what I'm saying, Nat. To play my character is not hard, but to play something else is going to be really hard. That's why films is a risky business.
No, not at all. And that's why you have to choose the right scripts. We'll come to that. I'll break it down. But another very nicely shot video, man. And it really, lots of efforts going in. Radhika and Vinay as a jodi and combination, fantastic. Every single, you all are picking them really well, man. I was just speaking actually to somebody else also. It's almost like they've been given a second lease of life, but they're all giving you guys a step up in look and feel for all your videos, man.
I agree with you.
How long now have you been chatting a lot with them? Do you discuss a lot with them? You just leave it all to them?
The latter. Just leave. I try to understand their ideologies. I try to understand because they come with so much experience and so many ideas and so much time that so many people they've worked with, that what a 22-year-old is going to tell them. I mean, I feel like they understand me. First of all, they've known me for what, like 2.5, 3 years now. I get surprised every time they, try to like include my characteristic into the character that they're putting in the song. And they do it so well. And I'm just like, this is how I'm winning.
You're the billion view girl, you know that. No, it's like billions and billions. When I love all those videos, whenever you're cutting the cake also. Dude, it's unreal, man. People don't hit 1 million now, and it's, but when you sit back and think in the last 2 years, it's, magical is not a word. It's not something that you could have written a script for also. You talk about Bollywood scripts you were talking about. You couldn't write a script for your own life in the last 2.5 years, right?
Yeah, a lot has happened for sure. But I don't know if that would be a film or like an interesting film. I get really scared, bro. This movie business is really scary.
Yeah, because it's not just about views, na? Movie business also is return on investment. But okay, if I had to say this,
it's also about money, If the songs are not working, the label is not going to support you. They're just going to be.
I just want to tell you this.
Yeah, so you've had so many songs come out and all. Now have you reached like a model where you start discussing numbers like from a monetary perspective with the label, also discussing, is this kind of song working for me? Or should I just stick in this zone? Like a lot of actors actually end up getting stereotyped. Do you think that happens to you as well?
You can't get stereotyped in music, I feel. You always try to reinvent yourself, I'm doing this today, but I cannot always stick to college romance. Someday I'll get older, and then I have to do something else. Might as well like lead into it. Right now I'm 22. After 10 odd years, I'll be 32. Then I can't be like, oh, I'm still in college,
Really? Should I show you and tell you instances in Bollywood where 52 is still 22 and 42 is like, oh, it's 12.
Real life, yeah. This is my life. I'm not playing a character. Like a pop star, it's their life where I am in my life right now. I'm going to show that to the people. That's how they connect with me. I'm not going to lie to them.
When I look at Jennifer Lopez and I look at all these artists and all, how they keep reinventing themselves physically, their music-wise, performance-wise, do you sometimes like want to do that on stage also where you start becoming a very, very accomplished stage performer? Because I think you haven't had too much of an opportunity, obviously because of the lockdown the last 1.5 years. But do you enjoy stage as much also and you want to reinvent your stage self also with so many tracks now that you have?
Trying to figure myself out on the stage. Like I had done about 5 to 10 shows. Yeah. And the moment, like just to, get accustomed with the fact that, there are people watching me and, I was slowly adding things to my shows. And when I was comfortable with that atmosphere and I wanted to completely change the whole model, Corona hit us. It was like, hi, honey, we do this next year.
But you know what? You'll have to add one or two really fast, jumpy numbers also to give like that whole sort of pop star girl kind of.
And even though it's a film song, you know, it does add on a show. Nobody cares. Whether it's like a pop number or is it a film number. They know it's my song.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
And now that they have a face to the voice, every time there's Dhwani Bhanushali written, they know what I look like.
Yeah.
So.
You haven't also experimented too much. You know, every singer has their Takiya Kalam style statement also. You know, most of them like bling. Some of them are brand babies. Dhwani's still like the sweet little girl. You haven't decided to change that imaging of yours. Or, you know, I've never seen dreads with you or those kind of things. Do you ever think about experimenting with those kind of things?
That's when I get into that space. Right now, I'm still into this girl I am a cute person, bro. Like, I'm not someone, I'm a light. That's why I wear clothes like that. I'm not someone who's so heavy, you know. That's not a part of my personality. If that was, I would have worn those kind of clothes. Like, I would wear a hoodie, but I would wear like a panda on it.
Oh.
So
we are going to talk about Nayan also, something that I, you know, it's not, when I break down and I meet artists so often, you know, since the lockdown, I think, well, she would be right up there in like most met person since lockdown virtually. But this track is cool. I like the fact there's also a little bit of tadka of Jubin in it. We'll come right back, don't go anywhere. You're back on Star Stop with me, Salil. We've got the very chilled and laid back Dhwani Bhanushali today. How are you doing, by the way? Listen, are you doing have you become like so proficient to do your own makeup, hair, everything now on yourself, or do you have your team coming to you?
You think I have makeup and hair on me? I don't even have an ounce of makeup on my face right now, guys.
Listen, that's a lot of women would call that career suicide when you're coming out into publicity mode. So you still don't want to do that even for publicity mode?
No. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I'm at home.
That's the vulnerability that's working. Now listen, how are you handling fame? Like the attention must be really starting to increase day by day. You know, it's not just the DMs that come in from all the fans. Are you enjoying now this other phase of your life where Dhwani Bhanushali no longer has to introduce her first name all the time? They know who she is with all the work and all the people coming in.
Still a lot of people don't know me, you know, which is, it's fine.
Really?
I enjoy that also.
So that's what I'm saying. How do you handle all the fan following attention? Are you somebody who really likes all of that? A lot of people love reading articles about themselves. They'll keep reading who's sending in, you know, comments in there. Nice people also, not just the fans. But are you somebody who likes to connect a lot with well-wishers, fans, admirers also?
I think I get really, I can't read about myself or watch myself. Like the only time, even the videos, I would just watch it like on the first day when, you know, like a final draft comes in, and only 1 or 2 times when it actually releases. Then I don't watch it because I don't know, I just...
You don't even read the comments below the video?
No.
What?
I don't know, I just get anxious about that whole thing.
But that's the real public and that's what you're making it for.
No, I read the things that come on my Instagram or, you know, like, but I can't read YouTube comments. Just doesn't, like, I will comment, like, I'll read the top 10, you know, top 12, but I'll never scroll down because I'm always scared कुछ तो लिखा होगा गलत है. मुझे देखना ही नहीं है.
Okay, we're gonna break down Dhwani Bhanushali today. I've spoken to you so many times. Sometimes I realize that we've also gone to a bit of a comfort zone. So, is Dhwani jeans and t-shirt, track pants, or pants and suits?
Track pant.
What? All the time? Even when you go out?
I'm wearing a track pant right now, even when I go out.
Okay. By the way, do you get like fan mail like in the olden days? How, you know, people used to send stuff, like, so if at the office or anywhere, do you get like, not digital, real hardcore box mails, letters? Do you get all that?
I got like so people basically don't know my address, okay? So I got one. I don't know how the person got to know where I live and all. So I got like a few, you know, it's a carved out like a picture of mine on a wooden thing. Asa 2-3 I got.
Some girl sent me chapstick once. I said, what is that supposed to be? So she said, it's put it on the mirror and give a kiss. Some weird gifts come in sometimes. Instrument-wise also, are you somebody who's like now starting to enhance your... a lot of people during the lockdown actually did that. You know, went and took a lot of... learned a new instrument professionally, I'm saying, not just like for fun. Then took a few classes.
I'm still learning. I'm taking lessons into classical. I'm taking lessons with my vocal coach, and like I was doing that in lockdown as well. And I'm playing the keys, and you know, it's so that's an ongoing process. It's not like I take a break and then not do it and then do it again. I'm not that sort of a person. I always like. For me, I've not even reached that stage where I can say, chalo, you know, I know a certain bit of
Music.
yeah, I'm 22. I have a long way to go and a long way to learn, and I think I'm...
Your vocal coach, you said, has he noticed a very marked difference in your voice also as far as power, range and all that?
I had a class this morning. He said, you know, I can clearly hear your the whisper tone, you know, separate from your focused voice, and also like a mix of both, you know, and or like your distinction is very is there now. It's so I'm improving, and you know, and I've never really learned music in my life except when I started, like, you know, at 17. I used to just like sing in the school choir. I never really had a formal training.
Actually, you jumped into it by accident, but then you worked really hard to reach where you are right now. You know, I think that happens to a lot of people, but the kind of success that you've had is unprecedented also. So you should also enjoy it a lot more also. I mean, I don't know whether, I'm at least happy to see once in a while the cake being cut, but your milestones that you're looking at are like the billions. I don't know if you celebrated 10 million hit anymore at all. See? The competitive streak in you is 100 million. Is 100 million okay for you? No.
Yeah, of course. It's a big thing. For a song to do 100 million is mad, dude.
Yeah. Well, I'm hoping that this one does that too. Take care of yourself, darling. It's really awesome catching up with you once again. I'm looking to see the next one as a really hardcore dance number. Like full on like Hrithik Roshan style dancing.
Have a dance number.
Bro, but you have to be dancing like Hrithik Roshan.
I will dance for ya. I will dance.
Yeah.
This one is a dance number for Salud.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
All right.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Well, I've got her to dance, or at least hope so. There's this languid laze about her, ease and chill, and I think that's actually worked for her. Otherwise, it could have got to her head. It's not got to her head. She's really rather chill to hang out with. Dhwani Bhanushali coming soon. Yeah, this entire interview on B4U. I will catch you soon. This is Salil signing out on Star Stop.